Welcome back to the channel. Today, we step inside one of the most complex industrial processes.
The texture here is perfect. I'm seeing a tear near the center. Hold it up.
An industry built on transformation begins long before the factory doors open. What happens inside?
Let me see the manifest and health certificates.
Here they are.
Everything seems to be in order. You may proceed.
Before processing begins, animals are handled under strict supervision. This stage prepares them for the next phase.
Each animal is tracked and recorded with precision. Traceability is essential in modern industrial systems.
Environmental controls maintain stability and cleanliness. Conditions are carefully managed before processing begins. Beyond these doors lies the core of the operation. But before that can happen, preparation is critical. Every tool undergoes strict sterilization. Precision begins with preparation.
Massive systems wait in silence. Soon, they will begin their coordinated motion.
Operations are controlled with exact timing. Every movement is carefully calculated. Raw materials arrive from multiple sources. Each contributes to a larger chain of production. The process now moves deeper into the facility. This is only the beginning of a complex transformation. With the facility sealed, the initial processing begins under strict control. Every step now follows a precise industrial sequence. The processing line comes to life step by step. Each component moves in perfect coordination. Continuous cleaning prevents contamination at every stage. Hygiene remains constant even as the system activates. Specialized blades are designed for controlled cutting. Their precision defines the quality of the process.
The first phase is complete, but the transformation is far from finished. The core manufacturing process is about to begin.
The core manufacturing stage begins where transformation accelerates. Here, raw material is divided into distinct industrial pathways. The process now splits into parallel streams. Each path leads to a completely different final product.
Automated systems handle meat processing with consistent accuracy. Uniformity is maintained through precise mechanical control.
Robotic alignment ensures every piece follows the same path. Consistency defines industrial-scale production.
The texture here is perfect. I'm seeing a tear near the center. Hold it up.
Chemical treatment begins to stabilize and preserve the material. This step prepares the foundation for leather making. Conditions inside the drums are tightly controlled. Small adjustments ensure the desired material quality. Dozens of machines operate together in a coordinated system. Scale and precision define this stage. Further processing refines texture and consistency. Each stage moves closer to final product standards. Portioning systems maintain exact weight and size. Precision reduces waste and ensures uniform output. After treatment, hides are stretched to stabilize their structure. This defines the base shape for future refinement. Two distinct products continue through specialized paths. The next stage focuses on refinement and precision. The process now shifts from scale to precision. Every detail begins to matter more.
Each portion is carefully checked for consistency. Small variations are corrected immediately. Fine trimming ensures uniform shape and clean edges. Precision cutting improves both quality and efficiency.
Placement must match the pace of the system. Timing is as important as accuracy. Leather thickness is measured with advanced sensors. Uniform density is essential for durability. Surface polishing enhances texture and appearance. Each pass improves consistency. Weight control systems maintain strict standards. Outliers are corrected before proceeding.
Manual refinement complements automated systems. Human oversight ensures final precision.
Drying stabilizes the treated leather. Controlled airflow prevents distortion. Refinement prepares materials for their final stages. The process now moves toward finishing and quality control.
The process enters its final verification stage. Every product must now meet strict quality standards.
Vacuum sealing preserves freshness and extends shelf life. Each package is formed with precise pressure control.
Inspection systems verify seal integrity and consistency. Only approved products continue forward.
Manual checks reinforce automated inspections. Consistency is verified through human oversight.
Leather receives its final color treatment here. Even application ensures a uniform finish. Heat treatment locks in color and enhances durability. The material begins to take on its final form. Embossing adds texture and character to the leather. Each pattern is applied with exact pressure.
Final inspection ensures surface perfection. Only flawless material is approved. Packaging is completed for distribution and transport. Uniform stacking protects the product during shipping.
Final weight checks confirm shipment accuracy. Every detail is verified before dispatch. Leather is now prepared for manufacturing use. Each cut follows precise design specifications.
Both product lines are now fully processed and verified. The final stage will bring everything together for market readiness. The process reaches its final stage of completion. Two distinct products now move toward their final form.
Packaged meat is transferred into controlled cold storage. Temperature stability preserves product quality.
Storage systems maintain strict organization and temperature. Every unit is tracked and positioned for distribution. Leather now enters the footwear production phase. Each piece is shaped into a functional component.
Stitching defines the structure of the shoe. Precision ensures both strength and appearance.
Soles are bonded under controlled pressure. This step completes the core structure of the shoe.
Polishing enhances the final appearance. The material now reflects its refined quality.
Each pair is inspected for defects and accuracy. Only perfect products move forward.
Packaging prepares the product for market distribution. Presentation reflects the quality inside.
Final products are moved toward shipment. The industrial journey nears its end.
From raw material to finished goods, the transformation is complete. An intricate process delivers products ready for the world.